I started working on the drawers. As you can see here, I'm working on the drawer bottoms. I'm cutting them to the finished size. Next, I moved on to the finished size for the front, back, and side panels of each of the 6 drawers. I'm cutting the panels to finished length by first getting a clean edge. I set up a stop block on my crosscut sled so that I could get the finished length for each of the panels for the drawers. The bottoms of the drawers and the front and side panels are going to be glued into a rabbet, so I'm starting to cut those. I made a jig that rides along my table saw fence that allows me to finish off those rabbets. Time for assembly. No mechanical fasteners, just glue. Lots of clamps involved to get this one right. I purchased some polyethylene sheets and ripped them down to size to use as runners on the bottoms of the drawers. I'm cutting down some oak strips to go on the tops of the drawers to cover up the plywood edges, as you'll see in a moment. Just glue and then cut to size. Here's the finished product. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.